Today we are going to make the famous dish called tavalade, which is famous in Tamil Nadu. It is served as tiffin for everyone. To prepare this tavalade, we need 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of jeera, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, and pepper powder according to your taste. Then here I am using rice rava. I basically use Lalita brand rice rava for this. And we add some grated coconut, and then we use rice flour for binding purpose. Binding purpose we require rice rava for 3 tablespoons. And I am using half kg of rice rava, which is served for 4 people. To prepare tavalada, first we have to make a upma. So for that I am using pressure cooker. So first heat the pressure cooker. Now the pressure cooker is heated. Now add some oil in it. 2 tablespoons of oil, and then add 2 teaspoons of jeera and 2 tablespoons of chana dal in it. Once the jeera and chana dal starts fluttering, add pepper to it. The chana dal and jeera and pepper powder have been roasted for a while, and then add grated coconut in it. Let the coconut cook in the oil for a few more minutes. Here I have taken half kg of rice rava. Now in this rice rava I am going to add 3 tablespoons of rice flour. This rice flour is used for binding purpose. Now my coconut is also being fried very well in the oil. For half kg of rice rava I am using 6 cups of water. This is my measuring cup. I am pouring 6 cups of water in it. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And now I am adding some salt in it and put it on a high flame so that the water gets boiled, and stir it well. See, now our water is getting boiled. Now lower the flame and add the rava and rice flour. And stir it well. Now cook this rice upma for at least 10 minutes until and unless the water gets evaporated. Now your rice is splattering, so close it with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. Now our upma is been ready. Now you can take this upma from the pressure cooker and put it on a plate. upma is very hot and it's been dried up. You can see the consistency of this upma. Now to make the vadas of this upma, first you need to wet your hand in water. This upma vada is prepared when it is hot only. Now your hands are wet, so take a good amount of upma in your hand. Now make a round bowl out of it and give it a nice vada shape. See, your vada is ready. And make a hole in the center of this vada. Now let's prepare another vada. And put a hole in between this vada and keep it. Now your upma vada is ready to shallow fry. Now take a pan like this and heat it. Once the pan gets heated, add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Oil is heated. Now put the upma vadas in it. Now close the vadas with a lid. Cook it for 5 minutes on a low flame. Take the upma vadas. After 5 minutes, just turn the upma. Oh, so it has been crisp and golden color in one side. So now you can turn all the vadas. Now add very few drops of oil so that the other side of the vadas get cooked and become golden in color. Now we need not close the lid to it. This entire tava ladda process should be done on low flame itself. Now your lip smacking tava ladda is ready, and you can have this hot tava ladda along with this onion chutney. I have already posted the onion chutney video. Please follow that onion chutney video.
Hi everyone, please watch this video and subscribe and share